I was just gonna. My follow-up question is going to be: when you say reorganization, what do you mean?
I'm sorry?
When you say personal reorganization, what does that mean?
Personal reorganization in Chapter 13 usually involves a mortgage. So what often happens in bankruptcy, whoever owns a house in bankruptcy, you want to make sure you keep the house. So you have to make sure you have certain exemptions that will allow you to keep the house. However, bankruptcy doesn't relieve your duty to pay off the bank, to pay the lender.
Right.
So in Chapter 13, the court gives you a chance, looking at your exemptions, making sure the house is not going to be seized for any reason by the court, but you have the opportunity to pay off a portion of your mortgage arrears, because usually in bankruptcy, people are behind in the mortgage. So you pay off a portion of your mortgage arrears as well as your regular monthly payment, and you do that over a 3 to 5 year period. So it gives you the chance to catch up on your mortgage arrears, which then prevents the bank from going into court to foreclose on the home. You get to keep the house and you come out of the bankruptcy with your home intact. So that's the advantage of the personal reorganization, but I think it really is primarily geared towards people who have mortgage debt that they want to resolve so that they can keep their home.
Okay. So this leads to my next question. So when should somebody give you a call?
Well, I think bankruptcy is different from personal injury in that bankruptcy develops over time. You have that accident on the street, you know the car hit you, you know you have to go to the doctor, you know you have to go to an attorney, and you have to do that right away because you have a very bright line event. In bankruptcy, people see themselves getting behind on their payments and they think, oh, I can resolve that. Or someone might lose a job, and month over month, the person starts falling further and further behind and they don't know what to do. So it doesn't happen overnight. It doesn't happen quickly like a personal injury, but somebody can see the writing on the wall. I couldn't make my mortgage payment last month. I haven't been able to pay my credit cards for the last 6 months. I'm starting to get these phone calls every day, early in the morning or late at night, which are generally from creditors. So you see the writing on the wall.
Right.
So the person who starting to see the writing on the wall, who senses that things aren't going to get better anytime soon, realizes that there's a problem, that's the person who should consider filing for bankruptcy. So at that point, you should probably talk to an attorney and figure out if that's going to be an option for you.